Afternoon, Eric again with Jacksonville Wealth Builders outside of 8424 India. As you can see, we have a freshly poured driveway. All of our brick is up in the front. Our exterior siding has been mounted. We'll go walk inside. As you can see, we're busy installing all of the baseboards and trim pieces throughout the house. Our cabinets have been installed in the kitchen and bathrooms. Door frames are installed. We're ready for a fresh coat of paint. We will paint as soon as all of the interior trim work has been done, baseboards and door frames and such. And we will get to painting. Master suite, closet, dark bathroom over here, cabinets. Closet. Another bedroom. You see, we have windows installed. Everything is ready to go.